Hi, today I'd like to talk about this recent purchase of a gun. It is between 1850 1860, a double-barreled folding trigger pinfire. There you have it. So it's got an ebony stock to it, the two cartridges. You can see from there you've got the double barrel. Now to bring down the triggers, you need to pull this back. See the trigger coming out the bottom here? Same with this one. And then to load up, you press this button here and it folds down like a shotgun. So you then put in your cartridge there, then push it back up. Then here you'd have your caps with the spark going in here. Then to fire, you can either fire one or the other. You press it hard and it goes. So again, pull it back. That can then release the stock. Back. More. Then pull these back again to bring out the trigger, and then you have to pull it back even further to make it go. So 1850 1860. It's got a few signs on it. There's a name. I can't see a mark. It's got Hyde there, Hyde. With a sight on it. So that's my latest gun purchase. Hope you found this of interest, and I'll see you soon. Bye.